Namaste. Good morning, student. Today I will take badminton class. Previous class should be warm up and warm up class fitness of badminton players. This week about badminton basics need of badminton players. Okay, this is only for basics players. First one, how to hold the grip. Second one, floor movement. Third one is service. This is three basics of badminton players. Yes, I will teach you one by one. First one about court. Okay, court is a 12 feet length, 12 meter length and 6 meter width. 12 into 6. This is the court measurement. Next, players, 2 players plus 3 substitute. Okay, this is the players. Next one, categories of 3 categories: singles, doubles and mixed doubles. This is the 3 category. This is basic badminton players. Okay, learn this one. Next one, first, proper racket grip holding. Okay, how to holding the proper racket grip. Okay, first one is shuttle badminton racket. This is the head and this is the holding of the grip. First, right hand. Okay, forehand grip. First one, forehand grip. How to hold this one? Forehand grip, 3 fingers should be close and index finger should be forward and thumb finger should be joined with them. This one, forehand grip. This is the forehand grip. See, other V-shaped grip. V-shape or forehand grip. Okay, this is the forehand grip. Next one, backhand grip. Same as it is. All the 4 fingers should be close and thumb finger should be holding of the bat flat place. Okay, if you grip, backhand grip, backhand and forehand grip. Forehand, this is the forehand grip and backhand grip. This is the backhand grip. Okay, these 2 types of grip. After the 2 types of grip, forehand grip and backhand grip, this is the major badminton players holding of the racket. Yes, swinging the badminton, swinging the beginners. Okay, swinging the forward shot. How to stand forward, left leg forward and right leg back. This is forehand shot. Is holding for the forehand grip and raise your left hand and right hand, elbow bend slightly and forehand grip. Okay, this follow through action. Yes, short and follow through action for the left side. This is forehand shot. Next one, backhand shot. Your right foot should be forward and backhand grip, nicely backhand grip. Okay, backhand grip and back should be backhand movement. Okay, forehand shot and backhand shot. Gently you are pushing your fingers, backhand shot. Okay, forehand forward shot. Forehand overhead shot. Left foot forward and right foot should be back and raise the left hand and right hand. Slightly bend your elbows and grip. Forehand grip. Holding for the forehand grips. Above the head, rise and short follow through action. Your left side should be, bat should be left side. Not a right side. Left side should be follow through action. Okay, this is the forehand overhead shot and backhand overhead shot. Right foot should be forward and left foot should be backward and holding for the backhand grip, and overhead should be, yes, sidewards or front. Sidewards or front. This is the basics skills of holding the rocket and movement and swinging the your rocket. Okay. After the this one, floor movement. Okay. Floor movement. Yes. Floor movement. Yes. Next, basics footworks badminton players. This is the basics 6 footworks of the badminton player. Forehand, forward, shot. Okay. Forward, shot. First one, your right side forehand. This is the base, and left side, your right side and side, right side and left side and backhand. This is the 6 floor movement. 6 floor movement. First one, this is the base position, center of the court, in between the line. You can stand like this. Okay. This is the movement. Forehand movement. First one. First, you should be stretch your left leg forward and right leg, and good launching your stretch your right leg forward and good launching movement. Your leg should be towards cross, not a straight, towards cross side, and holding for the forehand grip. Forehand grip, holding for the bat and cross and forward movement. Okay, this is the forward movement, and stretch and balance your body. Okay, yes, if you come back position, if you come back like this, yes, if you come back to base movement, otherwise right leg to, yes, back, yes, yes, attacking. Okay, after the second one, backhand, yes, backhand shot. Yes, next one, forearm backhand shot. Okay, this one position should be first right leg, then left leg, and holding nicely backhand grip and push the rocket slowly, gently. Hold your wrist and wrist work backhand. Then same as it is, go back to position. Okay. Forearm, next one. Forehand grip sidewards, then center part of sidewards. You can move your first left leg and right leg. Yes. Slightly bend, and your body weight should be your right leg only. Sidewards, forehand. Yes, forehand movement. Okay. Grip, forehand. Yes, forehand shot. Okay, sidewards. Then afterwards, you can come back to base movement. Then next one, fourth one, backhand sidewards movement. First, your right leg and left leg and backhand, holding for the grip, backhand, and push the rocket your left side. Okay, backhand grip, you can floor movement. Then if you come back to position, next one, yes, next one, forearm back cord. Okay, in base movement to backward. Okay, first one, you can turn your right leg and left leg. Yes, your right leg should be sideward stretch, and forearm, you are holding the forearm back movement and smash and come back to position. And last one, sixth one, backhand back hold. Okay, backhand back hold. This one, right leg and left leg should be forward, and right leg and backhand. Then you can turn and come back to position. This is the 6 basics floor movement. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Yes, quickly, as much possible. Quickly, first one, right hand, forward. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yes, movement, always. Yes. Come back to position. Yes, come to the position. Yes. This is the sixth floor movement. Basics, six badminton floor movement. Okay. Next one, service. This is two types of service. One is short service and long service. Forearm short service and back arm short service. Okay. Back and forearm back service and back arm short service. First one is back arm short service in the center of the line, and short service line. You can stand in the short service line. Okay. Holding the bat downwards. Your head should be holding the bat downwards. Hold it gently. Hold cock. Shuttlecock should be feather. Should be one feather should be hold, and in center of the bat you can hold in front of the rocket. You can hold. Your elbow should be rise and look at the opponent court. Your this one sidewards. Okay. Same court only. Do service short service. Okay. In below the waist level. Okay. Ready? Yes. Ready. Yes. You cross your nut. Okay. Your short service. Short service. Back hand short service. Right leg forward and left leg should be back. Short service. Forearm short service. Yes. This is the short service. Back hand short service. Okay. Forearm short service. Yes. Forearm short service. Left leg forward and right leg back, and your back should be down and cock should be here. Yes. Then pushes the back. Forearm short service. Okay. Short service. Not too much height. Your yes. This one is too much height. Opposite pole. Yes. Nut. Okay. Short service, back hand, short service, holding like this. Okay. Yes. Short service, forearm, short service. Yes. Next one, long service. Okay. Long service. Yes. Next one, long arm service. Short service over long service. Backhand long service. Okay. Backhand long service. You holding the bat. Yes. The bat head should be down and long service. Okay. Holding the feather cap in front of the bat. Yes. Simultaneously, if you push your wrist work and pushing your bat for the thumb finger should be hardly push back side. This is the long backhand service. Long forehand service, forehand grip hold, long forehand service. Okay. This one, left leg forward and your back should be down. Yes. In front of below the waist level should be top and backhand long service. Okay. Short service and long service. This is the service movement. This basics badminton players basics floor movement and holding the bat racket and service. This is the short service and long service is badminton. You can practice for the somewhere. Okay. This one you can practice the children very nicely, and Thank you. Bye bye.